Hello friends, today we are making this quick and easy, delicious chicken and noodles recipe. Perfect for one of those cold winter days. Stay tuned. I have a pack of the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Typically I will use those that have skin on them, but this is all that I had. So I'm going to place these in a skillet. I will be using 2 packs of chicken for this recipe. Feel free to use one. One pack usually has 6 chicken thighs. From here, I'll add 2 cups of water and then we will start adding the seasoning. I will start with seasoning salt. You can use any seasonings of your liking. And honey, I love some seasoning, so I will add that generously. Be careful with the seasoning salt though, because that is salt. I will next add my garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And I decided this time around I'm going to add me some adobo seasoning. Now I decided to cover this and bring to a boil before I added in my chicken stock. I did not have chicken broth here, so chicken stock would suffice. I will then cover and bring to a boil and allow my chicken to cook for an hour and a half. I will check periodically just to see how the chicken is cooking and stir occasionally. Once that 1 hour and a half has passed, I'll start to break up the chicken into bits. Now you may like larger chunks of chicken in your chicken and noodles, and that is fine, but I'm breaking mine up into like bite-sized pieces. I will now add in my medium egg noodles, and I will add the entire package. And I will gently stir the noodles and make sure they are coated with the liquid. I decided to add a little bit more water to my mixture. I noticed that it was not completely coated, so I want to make sure that it is before we bring this to a boil and cook. And then I'll add 2 teaspoons of butter, or margarine in this case. And then I'll top it with a little bit of parsley flakes. And then I will thoroughly stir until well blended. I will allow the noodles to cook for an additional 10 minutes so the juices can absorb. And I thought I'd give it a little taste test. And let me tell you, girl, it was everything. Delicious. You must try it. I decided to add a few more parsley flakes. I don't think that'll hurt a bit. And here we are, my friends. Easy chicken and noodles. I'll side this with a piece of cornbread, and that's dinner. I hope you enjoy. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.